yeah, this has been an ongoing process, and it's nice to just get the words out. So I'm going to go ahead and read what I just wrote during our free session time, and I hope you'll like it.
Woo-hoo!
Imagine being a child who dared to have dreams, and a place where it feels like it ain't all that it seems. What's the meaning of theirs versus your meaning of Pleasantville? Is it the tunes of the blues of Nashville? Or the vastest country, cornfields, ambiguous feeling like the Midwest? Or is it something where it's in the middle? We don't know. Afraid of disagreement to the views of the filterless, the analytical? East like a Tribe Called Quest? Or are you confused with the empathy and the social openness? West side with pride till I die? Is it the fear of taboo from their right eye? Hey, at least they're not gonna lie. Why worry about who they love? Thinking it's against the will of the person above. Remember, don't be afraid. Don't cater to the rhetoric and misinformation. Misplaced frustration leads to the progressive castration. If we don't align to their view, to the 90%, whatever is taboo, what? I'm a La Boo Boo fan too. See what I'm saying? Where they're trying to tell you that the real problem is you. Stomping on even the smallest of dissent. Until we're going Magoo, scared into blind descent. That the only thing that matters is the latest fashion trend. Keeping it up with the Kardashians as we play pretend. But then, how can you cheer, "Don't tread on me," or claim that they make it our place more free? It's more than a 311 song. I'm just telling you that it's just thinking that there's something very wrong. When we think it's rules for thee, not for me, it's another step for the racial and cultural killing spree. This cycle of violence, what do I do with all of this silence? Am I gonna just make it into a pop song, Depeche Mode, Apple Pie a la mode? Yeah, bake me some of that humble pie. Tell me what it is that I'm gonna lie. Trying so hard and yet so far. Keeping a bright shooting star. Refuse to think, in the end it doesn't even matter. So the future won't let this world shatter. You resurrect that legacy, like Linkin Park. Breaking that habit, I need that spark. Sometimes to stay fully aware, we need to seek that self-care. The active process, a safe place to mentally compress, healthy way to express, vision board, bead making, ride the well-being wheel, tell everyone how you feel, telling each other what it is that we conceal. Community support brings humility, chicken soup for the soul, warming up our heart like Cleo's soul. Reminding us to keep living with dignity, holding the light for racial and social equality.